This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable audio or video calls on the Twitter app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Twitter app opened up. To enable or disable audio or video calls on Twitter, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper left hand corner up to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways to where you see Privacy and Safety. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Then you'll go down to where it says Direct Messages and tap on Direct Messages. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways, and right here, Enable Audio and Video Calling. By default, that's probably toggled on. To turn it off, you would just tap on the toggle, and that turns off audio and video calling. If you want to enable it, tap on it like that there, and then you would go down below here where it says Audio and Video Calls From, and you would select who can audio or video call you by checking these little boxes here. Do you want people that follow you? You can see I have that one checked. Verified users, you would check that box. If you want everybody to be able to audio or video call you, you would check that box there. That is how you enable or disable audio and video calling on the Twitter app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.